Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of programming languages, a crucial topic for any aspiring or professional programmer out there. With so many options available, it can be overwhelming to choose the right language for your needs. That's why in this video, we're going to break down the pros and cons of some of the most popular programming languages in use today, helping you make an informed decision about which one to focus on. So, whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned developer looking to learn something new, stick around and let's get into it. Programming languages. Start by defining what programming languages are and why they are important in today's world. History of programming languages. Discuss the history of programming languages, including the first programming languages and how they have evolved over time. Popular programming languages. Talk about some of the most popular programming languages today, including JavaScript, Python, Java, C++, and Ruby. For each language, discuss its main features and what it is commonly used for. Choosing a programming language. Explain how to choose a programming language based on the project requirements, job prospects, and personal interests. Future of programming languages. Discuss the future of programming languages, including emerging trends such as machine learning, artificial intelligence, and blockchain technology. There are several factors to consider when choosing a programming language, including the type of application you're building, the platform it will run on, and the team's expertise. Some of the most popular programming languages used today include Java. This language is widely used for developing enterprise-level applications, especially on the web. Python. Known for its simplicity, Python is often used for scientific computing, data analysis, and machine learning. JavaScript. This language is essential for web development, as it allows for the creation of interactive and dynamic web pages. C#. This language is used mainly for Windows desktop applications and game development. PHP. PHP is a server-side scripting language that is used to develop dynamic web applications and websites. Each programming language has its own unique strengths and weaknesses, so it's important to consider the project's specific needs when choosing a language. In addition, many programmers use multiple languages, depending on the task at hand. Learning a programming language can be challenging, but there are many resources available to help. Online courses, tutorials, and coding bootcamps can all provide a solid foundation in programming languages. In summary, choosing the right programming language is essential for developing high-quality software applications. By considering the project's specific needs and the team's expertise, you can choose a language that will make development faster and more efficient. Another popular programming language is Java, which was first released in 1995 and has since become one of the most widely used programming languages in the world. It is commonly used for building enterprise applications, Android mobile applications, and large-scale distributed systems. Python is a high-level programming language that is easy to learn and widely used in scientific computing, data analysis, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and web development. Its popularity has grown significantly in recent years, and it has become one of the most in-demand programming languages in the job market. JavaScript is a dynamic programming language that is widely used for web development, particularly on the client side to create interactive web pages and web applications. It is also used on the server side with Node.js to build scalable network applications. C# is an object-oriented programming language developed by Microsoft and widely used for developing Windows desktop applications, video games, and web applications. It is also used for mobile app development with Xamarin. Swift is a programming language developed by Apple for developing iOS, macOS, and watchOS applications. It is designed to be safe, fast, and easy to learn. These are just a few of the many programming languages out there. Each language has its own strengths and weaknesses, and choosing the right language for a project depends on the requirements of the project and the developer's skill set. As a programmer, it is important to stay up to date with the latest programming languages and trends in the industry to ensure continued success in the field. And that's a brief overview of programming languages. If you have any questions or comments, Feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Another popular programming language is JavaScript. It is primarily used for front-end web development and enables interactive and dynamic web pages. It can also be used for back-end development through the use of frameworks such as Node.js. Other popular programming languages include Ruby, Swift, and Kotlin. Each programming language has its own strengths and weaknesses, and choosing the right one largely depends on the task at hand and personal preferences. Some factors to consider when choosing a programming language include the job market demand, community support, ease of learning, and performance. In conclusion, programming languages are essential tools for software development, and each language has its own unique features and applications. By learning multiple programming languages, developers can expand their skill set and tackle a wider range of projects. In addition to the popular languages, there are also some emerging programming languages that you might want to consider. For example, Rust is a systems programming language that is gaining popularity due to its focus on performance, reliability, and memory safety. Julia is a language designed for scientific computing and data analysis, with a syntax that is easy to learn for those familiar with MATLAB or Python. Kotlin is a relatively new language that has gained traction for Android app development. Finally, Swift is a language developed by Apple for iOS, macOS, watchOS, and tvOS development. Overall, choosing a programming language largely depends on the specific use case and personal preference. As a programmer, it's important to keep learning and exploring different languages to expand your skill set and stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies in the field. Programming languages available, and each has its own strengths and weaknesses. Some programming languages are known for their simplicity and ease of use, while others are known for their power and flexibility. When choosing a programming language, it's important to consider the project's requirements, the team's expertise, and the language's compatibility with existing systems. That being said, some of the most popular programming languages today include Python, Java, JavaScript, C++, and C#. Python is often used for data analysis and machine learning, while Java is commonly used for building enterprise-level applications. JavaScript is the language of the web and is used for front-end web development. C++ and C# are powerful languages used for system programming and game development, among other things. Ultimately, the choice of programming language will depend on the project's requirements and the developer's experience and preferences. It's important to stay up to date with the latest trends and advancements in programming languages to ensure that you are using the best tool for the job. Sure. To continue on the topic of programming languages, it's important to note that each language has its own strengths and weaknesses, and some are better suited for certain tasks than others. For example, if you're interested in web development, you might want to learn JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. On the other hand, if you're interested in creating mobile apps, you might want to learn Swift or Kotlin. In addition to the popular languages I mentioned earlier, there are many others to consider, including Ruby, PHP, Perl, and Go. It's worth researching each language to understand its features and use cases. When choosing a language to learn, consider the job market and what skills are in demand. Keep in mind that some languages are more widely used than others, and some may become obsolete over time. Ultimately, the key to mastering any programming language is to practice consistently and build real-world projects. This will help you become more confident in your abilities and open up more opportunities in your career. And that's all for today's video on programming languages. I hope you found this information useful in your journey as a programmer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Let us know in the comments which programming languages you prefer and why. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.